Okay. Try number 2. Take 2.
If this doesn't work, then it's something in the VTX I gotta mess with.
Yeah. Then you probably need to increase the megahertz or whatever the hell that is. No laughing. We're not pros here. There you go.
So far so good. I'm gonna go back over there.
Okay, so far so good. Better?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So that antenna change made a big difference. Oh. Can't even see that damn thing so fast. Hello. I'm just pointing at it, I think. So I really don't know. I think it's by the trees. Oh my god.
That was pain.
That's crazy.
6 cell power.
6 cell power, yeah, exactly. 6 cell, what, 13?
Yeah.
I don't even know if I'm catching that. But it's pretty freaking fast. Hawk Pro. Get you one. Here she comes again. Where the hell did you go? Oh, okay. Yeah, I totally didn't catch that.
Just did a little loop.
Yeah, I think you're around here somewhere. There you are.
Going back around.
Okay. Oh, Jesus. Pretty safe to say that thing probably going at least 100. Good old hunch. Where the hell are you?
Going back around again.
There you go. Oh my god.
It's kind of mushy in the sticks.
I think you could adjust your expo maybe?
Yeah, but I have none on the controller. I have to go on the what?
I think you gotta go to Betaflight and adjust it there. I don't know. I think it's your PIDs or something. I don't really know. Oh! Nice. Nice crash landing.
Yeah, I couldn't see where the hell I was going.